We're talking tree pose now. We're gonna work on the standing leg first, and then we'll figure out the ornamental leg, is what we're gonna call it. So, you've gotta plant your foot, and think of a tree and big tree roots, right? You wanna press into the foot, spread it all around. Now, be the tree and grow. You're gonna grow up through your knee, through your bathing suit area, through your sternum, through the crown of your head, and imagine you are connected to the sky, right? So from your crown, zoom, down to your big giant foot. Feel that one line that's just pulling you up. And I know it's a lot of imagination, but if you think it and you feel that hook, eventually it will come. And that's it. That is the beginning of tree. Now, I've got my kitchen counter, because safety first, I have something to hang on to. And, you can go hands-free as you're ready. But let's find that standing foot and then lift everything else. Now, once you've got that under control, we'll start to work on I'm gonna call it the ornamental leg. So that one takes its own thing too. Press your foot, turn it out, right? And when you turn out, take that hand in your back pocket and feel your glute muscle pulling the knee out, right? You feel it? There it goes. Okay, so now your knee's turned out. Cool. It doesn't matter if it turns out a little or a lot. It is your glute and your range of motion. And once you're there, you're there. Again, you can have your toe on the ground. You can do it in the air, whatever works. Turn it out. And now, did you sag? I totally sagged on my standing side. Okay, lift it up again. And now, we're turned out, we're standing, and we need to lift this leg up. So we're gonna find our oblique, feel that happen as you lift the leg, and you're gonna put this foot wherever, right? In all the magazines, it's way up here, and that's fine, but if it doesn't go there by itself, we're not gonna force it there, because why? So, stand, plant, grow, and then turn it out, lift it up, and place it. And there is your tree. And feel that hook the whole time. It's gonna make all the difference. All right, see you next time.